This piece, which is called Ocean Grass, is a walk of the global ocean current. It's a map of the planet based on a map from NASA that is tracking this current. I decided to create a walk to cut the grass in a way that the viewer and the person experiencing, more than a viewer, would walk following the current path and could be a continuous loop. I think it's important to do a piece about the global ocean because being in the middle of the continent, the northern boreal forest, we are very connected to what's happening around the whole planet. So all the Great Lakes, all the watershed we are standing, the water that feeds these plants and this farm is connected to this open system in the ocean. My intention is to offer an experience of connection to these open systems in the planet.